book. Here I have an example of a story about humpback whales, which I included a photo. Also, I included the larger font for the subtitles. I think that's helpful for the students to skim longer stories. I have the questions are all essay questions. Short answer, but they are essay kind of questions. So I'm going to show you a way that you can moderate and check what they did. On the top tabs, you have moderate in the middle. Click on moderate and you'll get your students. I have a small class. You can see there are 2 students. So we'll look at this first one. If you click on attempt, you'll see the answers your student produced. Here's the question, what is the reading mostly about? And then here is her answer. If it's correct, I can click. I can also do half a point or even negative. And here, this is important, this little symbol for giving feedback, and I can give feedback. You can include all sorts of things in the feedback, including pictures, audio, video, to help the student understand the answer. Be sure to click done, and you have the feedback for the student. I've finished all of those. She did a great job, and you can see on the bottom you will have the word update. This one's purely practice. As I said, I do 0 points if it's just practice. There's no false sense that they're getting points for it, and I like to show that. Again, it has the time for her attempt. It was not timed, but it gives me finishing time. I can go through, and then also while the students are taking a quiz or doing a quiz, an assignment, you can view what are they working on and see how much time they're spending on each question. As you see, I scroll through, how much time is a student spending on questions. That may help you, that may not. Or you can even change the amount of time or how many times the student gets to do this quiz. On the far right, I can change how many attempts, and I can adjust the time. This is important on the far right because if a student has problems with the internet and they text you or they email you saying they have problems, it gives you a chance to give them more time or to give another attempt. So that's a helpful tool to know when you have students all over the country, or perhaps they're in different places with irregular internet.